Hi everybody, Mike Hoffman here with a quick tip today in using Lightroom to add copyright information to your photographs. If we look at these photographs here in my library, we can look at the metadata panel on the right-hand side of the library module, and we can see that we've got copyright information entered here, and copyright status, the creator, and so forth is all listed here in this metadata panel. Now you could go in and type these values by hand, or you can apply them using a preset, which is much more efficient. In order to apply a preset, we can go to the top of the metadata panel here, and in this list of presets, we can simply click the list and we get a drop-down menu showing all the existing presets. If we want to create a new one, we can click on Edit Presets, and this brings up the Edit Metadata Presets dialog box. Now here we can go ahead and create a new metadata preset, and we can enter in the information that we want. In this case, it's picked up the information from the current photograph, including some information that I don't want, such as the location where the photograph was taken. However, I do want to include my copyright information, but I want to make this a 2014 copyright preset. So I'm simply going to change the date. We can scroll down and look at the rest of the information here, and some of this may be useful to you, but in my case, I just want a simple copyright preset with my copyright terms, copyright message, copyright URL, and my name as the creator. And we can see the check marks here indicate that when we save this preset, the items with the check mark will be saved in the preset. Other items without the check mark, such as this GPS data, will not be included in the preset. Once we've set our fields to the values that we want, we can go to the top here and we can either update our current preset or we can save the settings as a new preset. I'll choose that, and I'm going to call this C 2014 for copyright 2014 and MJH for my initials. I'll click on Create, and then we click on Done. Now if we wanted to assign that preset to this photo, we simply make sure it's selected here in the grid, and then we can go to the metadata panel and choose the new preset that we've created. When we do, we can see that this is now updated to show a 2014 copyright. Now this was actually a 2013 photo, so I'm going to set this back, but by creating the copyright preset, I'm ready for next year, and I've got my full range of copyright presets available to me. You could create customized additional presets to cover almost any condition. And remember that presets can be applied on import. When we import photos from our camera, we can look at the section on the right-hand side of the import module called Apply During Import. And if we open this section, we can see a metadata selector right here. We click on this, and again we get the same drop-down list. We can also create new presets right here on the fly, and we can edit our existing presets right here from within the import dialog. This is an important part of your workflow, so I'd encourage you to go ahead and create some metadata presets with your copyright and personal information included, and make sure that you're using those on import. And in the library module, go back and make sure that you update any photos that are in your library that don't already have this type of information. My name is Mike Hoffman. My website is hoffmanartdesign.com. You'll find a variety of Photoshop, Lightroom, and photography tips and tricks there. You can follow me on Twitter at mhoffman2001, and you can find me on Google Plus by simply going to g+mikehoffman.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's tip.